Imagine waking up one morning looking in the mirror and realizing that you are still full of energy, walking lightly, and thinking clearly. Just like when you were in your 20s. The amazing part is even after turning 60, this is still completely possible. The secret lies in how we take care of our bodies, from every meal to the smallest daily habits. In today's video, I will reveal 4 types of foods, along with nutritional principles and lifestyle choices that will not only help prevent disease, but also keep your body youthful, strong, and living longer. Are you ready to turn back the clock of aging? Did you know that after the age of 60, the collagen level in our bodies decreases by more than 75%? That number is not just statistics. It explains why you often notice swelling in your legs, stiffness in your knees, or sagging skin. Think of collagen in your body as a strong bridge. It keeps your joints stable, your blood flowing smoothly, and your skin firm. But when collagen fades away, that bridge begins to break down. Joints start to crack, blood circulation weakens your legs, feel heavy, and your skin wrinkles and sags. This is not simply old age. It is your body sending you a silent warning. Now ask yourself this. Have you ever gone to bed feeling fine, but woke up the next morning with stiff joints or unexpected pain? If your answer is yes, then that is a clear sign your body is lacking collagen, the fundamental building material for your bones, joints, and blood vessels. So let us explore the very first food together. Food number 1, gelatin. The first food I want to share with you is gelatin. A simple ingredient that surprisingly carries a powerful ability to rebuild collagen. Gelatin is actually extracted from the skin, bones, and connective tissues of animals, which are the richest sources of collagen. When these parts are slowly cooked and cooled, the collagen transforms into gelatin. This becomes that clear, slightly chewy substance you often see in jelly desserts or gummy candies. The special thing about gelatin is that it is basically pre-digested collagen. For people over 60, when nutrient absorption slows down, gelatin becomes the perfect choice, gentle on the digestive system, yet giving the body collagen in a direct and highly effective form. The amazing benefits of gelatin. Reduces inflammation and joint swelling. Gelatin is rich in glycine and proline, 2 key amino acids that fight inflammation and repair connective tissues. This helps ease swelling, reduce pain, and improve joint mobility. Improves skin firmness. When your body lacks collagen, skin easily sags and wrinkles. Gelatin provides the building blocks for skin elasticity, making it firmer and more youthful. Dawe boosts blood circulation. Collagen in gelatin strengthens blood vessel walls, preventing them from becoming weak or fragile. As a result, circulation improves, your legs feel lighter, and you bruise less easily. Supports digestion and sleep. Few people know this, but gelatin can soothe the intestines, reduce constipation, and thanks to glycine, it even promotes relaxation and deeper sleep. Scientific research has proven this. A trial in Germany on elderly participants showed that after 8 weeks of daily gelatin supplementation, skin elasticity increased by 45%, while joint stiffness decreased by 22%. Another study in the United States tested people with frequent knee pain by taking just 10 grams of gelatin per day combined with light exercise. After 3 months, they walked more comfortably and climbed stairs with significantly less pain compared to the group that did not supplement. These numbers are not just dry statistics. They prove that gelatin truly brings a noticeable change in the quality of life for people after 60. A real-life story. Let me tell you about Carol, a 72-year-old woman. She used to suffer from stiff knees, barely able to walk a few hundred yards before having to stop and sometimes even experience nighttime leg cramps. After a friend suggested it, she started adding a small spoonful of gelatin into her morning tea. Just 6 weeks later, she was walking uphill without needing to rest. Carol said, "I feel like my legs have been reborn, and I can enjoy long walks again without fear." Gelatin is truly a gentle, easy-to-use daily solution that delivers huge benefits for your body after 60. And if gelatin is the convenient option, the next food is like an ancient weapon. A superfood once considered a miracle medicine in many traditional cultures. That food is bone marrow. Food number 2, bone marrow. If gelatin is the gentle daily solution, then bone marrow is the primitive weapon once seen as a healing treasure in many ancient cultures. Bone marrow is found inside long bones, usually in the leg or thigh bones of animals. It is an extremely rich source of type 1 and type 2 collagen, two forms of collagen that play an especially crucial role in joint and tendon health for people over 60. In traditional medicine, bone marrow is often called the water of joint renewal because it supplies the essential nutrients needed to rebuild worn-out structures. Across cultures from Asia to Europe, from peasants to royalty, bone marrow's dishes were valued as a way to nourish the body. The key benefits of bone marrow. Type 1 collagen. This form strengthens tendons and ligaments. After 60, tendons usually weaken, making your steps less stable. Bone marrow helps the body maintain firm and flexible joints. Summer. Type 2 collagen. This form is specific to cartilage. It acts like a rubber cushion between joints, reducing friction and pain, and making movement smoother. Without enough type 2 collagen, bones grind together, causing sharp pain when climbing stairs. Rich in healthy fats and minerals. Bone marrow provides omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all essential for fighting inflammation, increasing bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Supports the immune system. New research shows that marrow contains bioactive compounds that regulate immunity, helping the body resist infections more effectively. Scientific research. A study in Japan tested elderly participants who drank bone marrow broth for 8 weeks. The results showed leg swelling decreased by 40%, while mobility improved significantly. Another report in the United States found that consuming 200 milliliters of bone marrow soup daily improved cartilage thickness and reduced knee pain within 2 months. This proves that bone marrow is not just a nourishing dish, it is also a natural therapy for joint health after 60. A real-life story, let me tell you about Harold. A 78-year-old man. He often suffered from leg cramps at night, sometimes so painful that they jolted him awake. After his daughter suggested it, Harold began adding bone marrow to his weekly soup. Just 1 month later, the cramps were gone, and he felt more comfortable and confident when walking. Harold said, "I never thought such a simple dish could change both my sleep and my steps." Bone marrow truly is the water of joint renewal. It provides type 1 and type 2 collagen, making tendons more flexible, cartilage stronger, and reducing pain and swelling in a natural way. And if bone marrow is hidden inside the bones, then the next food is found in an organ that many people fear or even avoid. But in reality, it is the golden key to building collagen. That is liver. Food number 3, liver. If bone marrow is the water of joint renewal, then liver is the golden key for collagen production. Animal liver, whether from beef, chicken, or pork, has long been recognized as a powerhouse of nutrition. In the past, doctors and athletes often recommended liver as a superfood because of its dense nutrients. Over time, however, many people became cautious, worrying that eating liver might be dangerous. The truth is, when used properly and in moderation, liver is one of the most nutrient-rich foods to boost collagen production in the body. The main benefits of liver. A rich source of vitamin A. Liver is the most concentrated natural source of vitamin A. This vitamin is not only essential for vision, but also stimulates collagen production, leading to healthier skin and stronger joints. Iron supplies zinc and copper. These are rare, yet essential minerals. Zinc helps the body synthesize collagen, while copper acts like glue that binds collagen fibers together into a strong network. Packed with glycine and essential amino acids. Glycine is a primary ingredient for rebuilding connective tissues. It improves joint flexibility, reduces inflammation, and also promotes deeper sleep. Since boosts blood and energy, liver is loaded with heme iron, the most easily absorbed form of iron, which enhances circulation and reduces fatigue. For people over 60, this is crucial for keeping legs strong and active. Scientific research. A European study revealed that eating liver just once per week can increase collagen activity in the body by up to 143%. This means firmer skin and easier joint movement. Another report from the American Nutrition Association showed that older adults who regularly ate liver experienced fewer bruises, less numbness in their hands and feet. and reduced skin sagging compared to those who did not. This proves that liver is not something to fear. On the contrary, it is a natural multivitamin that helps the body maintain collagen strength. A real-life story. Take the case of Eileen, a 75-year-old woman. She used to bruise easily, even from small bumps, and her knees often swelled painfully. After following her nutritionist's advice, she started eating cooked beef liver once per week. Within just a few months, she noticed her skin becoming firmer and brighter bruises appearing less often, and most importantly, her knees swelling less, allowing her to walk much more comfortably. Liver is like the cement that connects collagen fibers. It not only supplies the raw materials, but also activates the collagen-building process in a powerful way. And if liver is the cement for building, then the next food has been called liquid gold. A nourishing drink that is easy to consume, yet extremely rich in collagen and nutrients. That is bone broth. Food number 4, bone broth. If liver is the cement that binds collagen, then bone broth is known as liquid gold. Across cultures from Asia to Europe, bone broth has been used for thousands of years as a strengthening food. It is called liquid gold for good reason when bones are simmered for many hours. All the collagen minerals and nutrients from the bones and cartilage are released into the broth. The result is a natural supplement that is easily absorbed and suitable for all ages, especially after 60. The wonderful benefits of bone broth. A complete source of collagen, bone broth contains type 1, type 2, and type 3 collagen. Type Y strengthens tendons and ligaments. Type 2 rebuilds cartilage and reduces joint friction. Type 3 supports blood vessels and skin, enhancing elasticity and circulation. Lassi, rich in glucosamine and hyaluronic acid. These compounds are commonly found in joint supplements. They thicken cartilage, increase joint fluid, and reduce pain and stiffness. Then, improves circulation and reduces cramps, thanks to its high magnesium and calcium content. Bone broth helps muscles relax, reduces nighttime cramps, and promotes better blood flow. Strengthens immunity and digestion. The gelatin in bone broth protects the intestinal lining, lowers inflammation, and makes digestion easier, something older adults often struggle with. Scientific research. A study in South Korea showed that people over 60 who drank bone broth daily for 8 weeks experienced a 52% improvement in skin firmness and a 48% increase in mobility compared to those who did not. In the United States, rehabilitation doctors also recommend bone broth as part of an anti-inflammatory diet, since it contains all the essential amino acids needed for tissue repair. This proves that just one bowl of bone broth a day provides your body with a natural arsenal against aging and joint problems. A real-life story. A great example is George, a 76-year-old man. He often felt numbness in his legs, especially when walking long distances. After being advised to add a small cup of bone broth to his daily breakfast, within just 2 months, the numbness nearly disappeared. Now George can walk around the park without stopping to rest. He said, "I never imagined that one bowl of bone broth could change the way I move and enjoy life." Bone broth truly is liquid gold, a traditional dish that is incredibly modern in the way it restores collagen, improves joints, circulation, and even skin. Daily meal plan and habits. Now that we have explored the 4 golden foods for rebuilding collagen, gelatin, bone marrow, liver, and bone broth, you might be asking, so how should I eat them? How do I combine them for the best results? The answer is actually very simple. You do not need to be complicated, and you do not need to eat all 4 every day. The most important thing is consistency and balance. For example, you can start your morning with half a cup of bone broth. This not only provides a rich source of collagen, but also gently wakes up your digestive system and gives your body light energy after a long night's rest. At lunchtime, simply add a small spoonful of gelatin into your tea, coffee, or even just a cup of warm water. That simple step gives you an easily absorbed dose of collagen perfect for the body after 60. In the evening, 1 or 2 times per week, you can add liver or bone marrow to your meal. It could be a small portion of lightly sautéed beef liver, a comforting bowl of chicken liver porridge, or a rich bone marrow soup. You do not need much. Just a modest serving provides vitamin A, zinc, copper, and natural collagen that strengthen your joints and brighten your skin. The key thing to remember is this: nobody expects you to do it perfectly. You do not need to eat all 4 foods every single day. As long as you maintain these habits regularly, your body will slowly rebuild what has been lost. And for collagen to work at its best, you should also combine it with simple daily habits. Drink enough water, take a light walk for 20 to 30 minutes, and get adequate sleep. These small choices help your body make the most of collagen. If you stick with this for just 2 to 3 weeks, you will begin to notice positive changes. Joint stiffness will ease your steps, will feel lighter, your skin will look brighter and firmer, and fewer new wrinkles will appear. Your legs will no longer feel heavy or numb, and most importantly, you will feel your energy returning in every breath and every step. Imagine a few months from now waking up each morning with a body that feels flexible, agile, and full of life. That is the gift natural collagen can bring you. There is something I want to emphasize. You are not weak and old, the way many people assume. The truth is your body is rebuilding itself every single day. Every spoonful of gelatin, every bowl of bone broth, every serving of liver or bone marrow you eat is like another brick in the foundation of your strength, resilience, and confidence. Many people think aging means losing strength and independence. But that is not true. Aging is not the end. It is an opportunity. An opportunity to rebuild your body in a wiser, more mindful way. If in your 20s or 30s you lived fast and sometimes neglected your health, then after 60 is the time to understand your body better, respect it more, and give it what it truly needs. Picture this: every step you take, every stretch or bend no longer comes with the cracking of joints or the heavy drag of tired legs. Instead, it is confidence, independence, and joy. Your body moving with you, not against you. You have the right to live strong and fully at 60, 70, even 80 years old. And the key lies in small, simple daily choices. Do not think you need to change your entire life overnight. Just start with 1 spoonful of gelatin, 1 bowl of bone broth, or 1 serving of liver each week. That alone is your first step on the journey to reclaiming strength and vitality. Remember, this age does not define you. The way you care for your body, the way you nurture your health and spirit, that is what truly defines your age. And you absolutely can make 60 or 70 feel as vibrant as 40 or even 30. We have just gone through 4 natural foods that help your body rebuild collagen and restore joint health after 60 gelatin, bone marrow, liver, and bone broth. These are all simple ingredients, easy to find and easy to cook, yet they bring profound changes to your body, from your skin and joints to your circulation and sleep. The one thing I want you to remember is this: you do not need to do it perfectly. Just begin and keep moving forward, step by step. Every nourishing meal and every healthy habit is you rewriting your own story of health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your loved ones, because sometimes just one small piece of information can transform someone's health and life. And do not forget to subscribe so that every week you can receive more valuable health knowledge to help you live stronger, happier, and longer. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Remember, your age does not decide whether you are weak or strong. Your daily choices do. I wish you health, energy, and confidence in every step you take.